just one strange sound after another, all different. Not as loud as usual, but hopefully picked up. I'm sensitized to sound, so everything is loud because that's what they call sound sensitization, because if they send sound out to you every day over a long period, you notice every sound, which you shouldn't notice every sound, even small sounds. So you're totally sound invaded. You have no life anymore. But this is all stirred up and staged, so it's not accidental work constructions everywhere you go and inside your house year after year. I just record it for my own thing, but you know, I'm trying to recover too, physically, from their attacks. So your body doesn't heal as quick as what the human body should. The human body is a lot better if you were in a real war. The human body would not be filled with as many problems as what we are conditioned to believe are real. They make them real because they play on your emotions and the frequency and vibration reality to where they can make you ill and sick and injure you by sending negative energy at you, and even making you an enemy to yourself, because they disorientate you all over the streets with their sight and sound negative program against you, with the beings operating using machinery and vehicles to suppress you and to hypnotize you and put you off balance. Basically, you're not living a natural human existence, and you are in their frequency and vibration, which is a cyborg frequency and vibration, which means nothing happy. So you're living in an artificial, very negative city of Sydney, in the country of Australia, and this is also true of all cities, I'm told, because they can work the artificial programs even more intensely in a city environment, because it has a large android population. It has large majority psychopathic mindset, or a large psychopathic technical mindset. They're all the same thing. As this psychopathic psychologist will openly tell you on the internet, artificial intelligent human mind control programmed computer system, psychopaths like and need to be connected to technology. They serve a technical god, but their technology is actually their god anyway, because they like to use technology, because technology is mechanical, technology is dead, and they operate, as this being will tell you, you know, one of your leading psychological world experts on psychopathy, or in other words, the psychopath and the malignant, narcissistic, controlling, self-serving, essentially machine being, because they serve technology, they are technology. That sound that's coming in appears to even be coming from the roof of the place, which is unreal, but it's not going to be picked up. Is the mobile picking up these weird sounds coming into the house from outside by the machine beings, by literal mechanical workers? They're the army of Earth, the real army of Earth, and they're real beings. It's just that they're not fully human. They're essentially human beings that are malignantly, psychopathically, ingrained in their mind. And they don't like human beings or anything that has any humanity or any life in it. And they try to destroy that in you by sending their sight and sound program against you all around you. Is the mobile picking up? That destructive noise that's only small and not loud, but it's vibrating through the house, affecting my vibration, affecting my emotions. My vibration is my emotions, you see, because everything's frequency, vibration and energy, and human emotions can have a positive or a negative frequency and vibration. That's how it works. That's what they play. You don't have to understand the psychology of it to understand that if you're surrounded by negative sight and sound, you're going to feel very bad. But it is a psychological game being played against you, or a psychological, it's really a human and android secret war, really, unfortunately. I wish it wasn't happening, but it is the reality. And they are very cunning, because I'm the only one hearing it, and even if I make a video, it's not getting to real people, and also they can't stop it either, because you're outnumbered, and the separation. If I contacted someone even on the other side of the world, what use is that to me or to them if they're in the same pickle? Because you can't really combine. Sympathy will not change it. Running out of recording, so demigods that you worship and think are human, but they're also serving Lucifer's matrix, unfortunately for me.